In this video, we're going to talk about 14.6, Objective 1, where we apply intravenous fluid administration calculations to critical thinking exercises. You'll notice a lot of these problems are the same as the last video, but let's wrap up by just reviewing these thoughts and some critical thinking exercises. For the first one, we have 450 milliliters to be infused over 2 hours. Because our drop factor is 60, we can use the ratio proportion technique to calculate the amount that's going to be infused in 30 minutes, which is half of an hour. And half of 450 is 225, which is 112.5. And they tell us to approximate to the nearest whole number. That's going to be 113 milliliters. This is that same true-false question as before, and this is why we were allowed to set up that ratio proportion just a second ago. So yes, when we have a drop factor of 60, the flow rate in drops per minute is the same as in milliliters per hour. So there we go. And this one is the unit mismatch, that this should say milliliters per hour down here, not milliliters per minute for the flow rate equation. We want to infuse 1,000 milliliters, which is the same as a liter per hour for 2 hours. How much is infused in liters? 2 liters is infused. Half a liter, which is 500 milliliters, is infused over 12 hours. What's the flow? And we have a drop rate of 60 drops per milliliter. How much is infused in 1 hour? 500 divided by 12 is 41.6 repeating. We're told to round to the nearest whole number, so x is 42. So now number 6. We have a 5% dextrose solution, meaning we have 5 grams per 100 milliliters of solution. How many grams are in a quart? Remember, we talked about this last time, that we're going to use 946 milliliters to stand in the place of a quart. So 5 goes into 120 times. 946 over 20 grams is what x is. 946 over 20 is 47.3 grams. And normal saline, 0.9%, so 0.9 grams in 100 milliliters of solution. And how many are in 350 milliliters? 0.9 times 350 divided by 100 is 3.15 grams. I forgot this one told me to round to the nearest whole number, so that's 47 grams there. And then let's wrap up with number 8. 2 liters. We want milliliters, so 2,000 milliliters to be infused over 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. That is 8 hours. What is the flow rate in milliliters per hour? So 2,000 divided by 8 is 250 milliliters per hour. And that's it for this video. That's it for this unit. We'll come back next time, start talking about Unit 15, where we convert weights between pounds and kilograms in preparation for talking about safe dosage range based off of weight or body body mass score. So there's several kinds of drugs that the body surface area, the BSA calculation will determine what the safe dosage range is for the patient. So we'll be talking about that in the next unit. See you for the next video.